Hi, I'm Reynaldo M. Tolentino. I'm excited to apply as your next virtual assistant. Over the years, I developed a strong experience in office administration, customer service, and business operation, helping teams stay organized, efficient, and focused on what truly matters. I am confident in using tools like Google Workspace for collaboration, Trello for project tracking, MailChimp for email marketing, and Canva for creating professional design and social media content. I also edit videos using Descript, which help me produce engaging content for clients. These tools allow me to combine creativity, organization, two things that makes remote work smoother and more productive. I believe success in virtual assistance comes from three things: clear communication, reliability, and attention to details. When I take on tasks, I make sure it's done accurately, delivered on time, and aligned with your goals. My goal is simple: to make your workload lighter and your business operation more efficient. If you are looking for a dependable, organized, and proactive virtual assistant who values teamwork and results, I'd like to work with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to the chance to support your business success soon.